In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in Mautic. Including a clear unsubscribe option isn't just good etiquette, it's essential for compliance and helps protect your sender reputation, so let's walk through it together. Start by opening your Mautic instance and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the left-hand navigation. Open Channels, then choose Emails. This takes you to your email library, where you can work with existing emails or drafts. Find the email you're currently building or planning to send and open it. From the email view, click Edit to enter the editing screen. Inside the editor, switch to the Builder view. This is where you can add, move, and style content blocks. To place your unsubscribe option, add a text block to your layout. Most teams put this in the footer so it's easy to find without distracting from your main message. Consistency is key, so consider placing it in the same spot across all your templates. With the new text block selected, open the formatting toolbar and click Insert Token. Tokens are Mautic's dynamic placeholders that get personalized for each recipient at send time. In the token list, select Unsubscribe Text. Mautic will drop in a special placeholder that automatically becomes a unique unsubscribe link for each contact, ensuring the link works correctly and updates your contact records when someone opts out. You can keep the token as is, or add a brief sentence around it for clarity. For example, a simple line like, "If you no longer wish to receive these emails," followed by the unsubscribe token, works well. Make sure the font size is readable, the color has enough contrast, and the link is clearly identifiable. Accessibility matters, and clear wording reduces confusion and spam complaints. When you're happy with the placement and wording, click Save. You'll be prompted to apply the changes. Go ahead and confirm to finalize the update. Your email now includes a compliant unsubscribe link powered by Mautic's dynamic token. The best part is that this token is smart. It generates a unique, secure link per recipient, which keeps your lists clean and your analytics accurate. A couple of quick notes as you wrap up. Keep the unsubscribe text consistent across campaigns for a familiar user experience, and place it in the same location in all emails. If you reuse or clone this email later, the token will continue to work without any extra setup. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link in